Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular lecture, we will learn that how to install Python PIP on Ubuntu Linux. Now, first of all, what is this PIP? Well, PIP stands for Python Package Installer. It is the official package manager for Python that is used or allow you to install Python packages, update packages, remove packages, and even manage the project dependencies. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you must check that if PIP is already installed because most of the Ubuntu comes with the PIP, right? So for that, let's check PIP3 dash dash version. Press enter. So it is saying that command PIP3 not found. That means it is not installed. It is also saying that you can install it with the help of this command line, right? So let's just write it down. So before downloading, you make sure that you update your Ubuntu, right? So before installing any package, you just write sudo apt and update. Press enter, and you can see, right? It is successfully updated now, right? Let's clear it out. And now let's write the command to install the PIP. So for that, let's write here sudo apt install python -3, not dash, it will be just python 3 dash pip and then dash y. Simply just press enter, and you can see it has started the process to download it, right? So as you can see, it is successfully downloaded now, right? Now after that, let's verify the installation. So for that purpose, we do what? We just write pip3 and then dash dash version. And let's see that whether we get the output this time or not. And you can see we got the result, right? We got the version of the PIP this time. Okay, so that's very cool. Let's clear. And if you want to check the PIP location, so for that we can write which PIP3. Press enter. You can see this is the path where your PIP is present. Okay, now if you want to display the help, so for that you can write pip3 dash dash help, and you can see this is the response to the help. You can get the idea that what other thing you can do means the general options, right? And these are all that. Let's clear it out. Fine. Now let's list all the installed packages. So for that, if you want to do that, simply just write pip3 and list. And you can see these are all the packages that are present, right? Along with their version, everything is now present in front of you. And now in the last, let's try to install a package at our own. So let's clear it and let's try to install some package of Python. So for that, I'll write pip3 install request, right? Request is one of the Python package, right? And we are going to download it with the help of pip3. Okay, now let's press enter, and here you can see that we got one very important error, that is externally managed environment. So this problem comes when you try to download something on your Ubuntu with the help of pip3, and you can solve this particular problem with the help of virtual environment, right? So you need to create a virtual environment in order to download anything with the help of pip3, right? And that's what we are going to learn the next lecture, that how actually we create a virtual machine on our Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so stay connected, stay subscribed, and watch that next lecture for sure. And this is all about today's video. I hope you get the concept that how actually we download and check the PIP, that is Python package installer, in our Ubuntu Linux, right? This is all. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.